Alrighty, folks. One of the things that makes One Rental at a Time different is we bring on experts from across the country. And on Tuesdays, I almost said Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. We bring on the man, myth, the legend, Omar Alfaro. How you doing, buddy?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's
Not
up,
much, man.
everybody?
Why don't you do me a favor? Remind the audience of the market you are in, and then let's talk about what's going on in the market because you shared a statistic that actually sent shivers down my spine when you shared it. So, where are you at? What you got?
Well, we are in the high desert market, which is Apple Valley, Victorville, Atlanta, Barstow, Hellendale, Hesperia, Wrightwood, Pinion Hills, Phelan, Oak Hills, Lucerne Valley. So it's on the way to Vegas. You definitely drive on the 15 freeway if you're in SoCal, and you pass us. So at the top of the mountain, and then all the way through, and then you get past, Barstow and such. Then we don't cover that area. But
Okay.
yeah, our market up here has been crazy. It's there's a lack of inventory, just like everybody else says, right?
Mhm.
But we just hit under 700 houses. We're at 691 properties for sale. That just means that everyone's fighting over properties, and sellers are going to get more money, providing it's already priced right. There's still some higher end houses that don't move. But this is the crazy thing. We jumped up from 84 sold last week, which was 6.5 to 6.11, to 131 sold from 6.12 to 6.18. And there isn't enough inventory, new stuff that comes up to sustain that demand. And
This
it,
is not good.
yeah.
This is not good. Because again, we've talked about every market, yours included. I draw a very simple line in the sand. What is the median home price? We did this, I think, last week or the week before. People can go check out your playlist. About 20% of your inventory is in the luxury market, right?
Mm-hmm,
Way up there.
mm-hmm.
So if let's just say 700 because it's easier for me to do math, that means 560 homes are below luxury. And if you again go, okay, where luxury is 2x the median, you have another set from median to that. You've got to
Right.
be sub 200 homes below the median.
Yeah, I'm
That's,
actually gonna let's pull it up right now. Um, let's do our median home price is 400K.
yeah, say 400. And
Okay.
and while you do that, I just want to remind folks, it was November of last year. We were talking about being 2,000 listings.
Mhm.
We're now 6, 7 months later, we're sub 700 and going at the rate it's going, new listings versus solds. Sheesh, it's going to go lower. This
And
is not good.
this is gonna, you know what? This is going to be, I think it's gonna be worse than 2020, 2021. My opinion, just because at least there was pent up demand back then, right? But we didn't
But there
know it.
was at least
There was
inventory,
inventory. Exactly.
right?
Exactly. This is why
The
everybody made a bunch of money.
the Fed broke the housing market. And what do I mean by that? While you pull up this data, the Fed kept rates too low for too long. Not only did purchase apps get 2%, 3%, but refis got 2 and 3%. Now everybody's trapped. They can't move up. They can't get the extra bedroom. They can't get the nicer home because they don't want to trade up for 100 grand and double the mortgage payment. So they're stuck and we're not getting inventory. The only inventory you're getting now is death, divorce, burned out landlord, you know, gosh, this is not going to be good, dude. Just
So
this
you
would
want to
not
hear
be good.
this? You want to see it? Here it
Uh,
goes.
yes,
Check
goodness.
this out. And this here, and I'm going to do some rural areas: Apple Valley, Hesperia, Victorville, Barstow. Okay, let's throw in the mountain community of Wrightwood, right? Because it's off the 138. From 100K to 400K, houses, townhouses, and manufactured homes, because there's still houses, right? 170 properties.
Now, do me a favor. Take out manufactured homes.
131 houses.
That is banana. You have, geez, oh my
And
goodness.
that's literally our specific area of under 400K. I mean, I'm looking at houses here 330, 350, 374, 390, 395. A day on the
This is,
market, a day on the market.
dude, this is the price. Oh,
Okay, so now this is 100 to 400K. Now let's do this. That's just for, for shits and giggles here. Um, let's go 400,000 to 700K.
okay.
485 houses.
So this is exactly what I've been calling for. Everything below the median scarce. You're going to get bidding wars. You're going to go up, but that median and above, it's just going to stack up, and eventually the lower end's going to push that market up. It's your median price. Here's the deal: at 691 active listings, with the price points as spread as I expect, your median price today is 400. I'm going to make a crazy ass call that your median price will be 440 by the end of the year. You're going up
Yeah,
10% in the second half.
100%. Yeah, and this is crazy. Like, you know, I've told our team that we're making offers on everything that we get, because
Below
why
the
not?
median. Below the
Yes,
median.
below the median. So our come out price is 400. But remember, if the come out price is 400, we're probably going to be at 415, 420 contract price,
Could be.
because there is nothing available. And they're garbage houses, the ones that are under 400K.
Exactly.
I,
This is
it's
just,
insane.
it's printing money. It's printing money again. If you have a system in operation where you can routinely get properties bought right, like Jason Pritchard in Fresno, you have a marketing machine, you're spending 10 grand a month on mailers or whatever it is, and you can routinely buy, we'll just use 400 as the median. You can routinely buy something at 240 to 250, spend 50, 60, sell it for 400. You're going to print money because you have no competition. There are no
None.
dialed in homes. Like,
None.
of the
And you know what?
131 homes you have, half of them are junk and garbage that should be torn down.
This is a cause of, I'm not going to say concern, but I'm at that point to do what you've done, is sell some of my lower end properties, and
1031.
I
Yeah.
can just get stupid amounts of money for them because there's no inventory.
Yeah. Again, again, I called this over a year ago.
You
I think
did.
the next wave of this is right around the corner, where again, we're going to get to next spring selling season. No inventory's coming.
None.
So if
Because
we have
who's going
rates,
to be selling?
yeah, why, who would sell? So again, what we could do, again, just playing it out, is we could take some of our lower end homes. We can give the tenants a 90-day notice.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we give them a notice in November, so they're out at the end of January. We fix them up February and March, and we list in May or April, all the money. And then
All the money.
1031 into multifamily.
That's, I'm writing these notes down. Just because I am a student of this game. You've been doing it longer than me, and I'm just like, okay, what else can we do?
Yeah, I think a 90-day, I really do think a 90-day notice, like November 1st. So you give them 3 months, you let them get through the holidays, you let them get through January, then they're out in
Uh-huh.
January, February, March, you do the remodels, you make it nice because you got to dial it in. And then you list it for sale in April, you get all the money. I mean, that's the spring selling season. You're going to have no competition.
Um, and you weather the storm for a good little bit. It's not even a storm to weather.
No, it's fine. You
It's
got these
just,
financed at 30-year debt. Who cares? I mean, sheesh.
yeah, this is going to be interesting. Like you know, this is where actually I'm going to do a post today, that I want to buy more houses, like right now. I'm going to do it today, because
Yeah.
this way, um, that, or again, even say, hey guys, your home solar will buy it for cash. If your house does not sell, I'm going to buy it for cash. This is what I'm going to buy it at.
Yeah. It's
And
good.
guess
This is,
what? Even the markets are anywhere right now is low inventory. So anything that you buy under the median, if it's not a tertiary market, or if it's not um, you know, a specific area where people Airbnb and stuff and the saturation's high, um, it's still going to work because people still need houses to rent. The rental market is literally, this is what's funny. Inventory is dropping.
Yeah.
And let's just do this really quickly. Okay. I'm going to remove the first sale completely. Okay. 485 houses from 400K to 700K.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go to rent
Hmm.
in the same specific areas. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, let's just say $1,600 to $2,400.
Okay.
This is all of a sudden changing in front of my eyes. There's 104 rentals in all of the area of that the same setup, right? A first sale. 104 results, 2,400, 2,400, 22,000.
I have no context. Is that a lot or a little?
Michael, there was only like 50 houses for rent like 4 months ago, man.
So it doubled. So
It
again,
doubled.
I'm just an outsider looking in. I don't know the data, but I'm guessing there's a bunch of Airbnb hosts that were going daily or nightlies or weeklies, and now they're going long term. Is that a fair guess?
That's a fair guess. I'm looking at this as, with different eyes, obviously, because I'm a landlord, and I'm looking at it like, okay, competition's increasing, so you can't get max.
Yeah.
Because they're nice houses, 3.2 for 2,200, or 3.2 for 1,800. It's like, okay, but right now I have 3.2s that are renting for 2,500, and they were stoked because there was no inventory.
So
now,
maybe this makes sense.
Choose.
Yeah, so you give them notice in November, they get out into January, you fix in Feb, March, and you sell in April. It's kind of seems
what I see? I see these sellers are not well informed.
Yeah, the other thing that could be happening, I'm just thinking about this out loud. These could be a bunch of owners who moved, and instead of selling their home, they flipped them to rentals.
Yeah, I guess you could say a little bit, yeah. But check it out. Majority of people, Michael, if there's a 3.2, 1,500 square feet like I'm looking at right now, and you can get $375 for the house, and these houses were bought for $70,000, $80,000.
Go get that money.
Go get that money, because I've not seen it. I'm not gonna say I haven't seen it, but this market has been just inclining this whole time. And as I'm looking at all this stuff, it's like, okay, well, at what point do you pull the trigger to sell the property?
Yeah.
And literally cash out, man.
Yeah, this is going to be something to watch. I've been very clear. There might be some point in time in the near future, maybe next year, where I sell a bunch of houses, because I think this next bump was where it gets unhealthy. And
meaning what? Like affordability
goes
down.
At some point, it's just stupid. And we might be heading that direction. And I've been known to sell when things are stupid. So,
well, I'll be watching it with you. I'll be riding it with you.
If somebody wanted to join your team, if somebody wanted to sell you a home in your market, how would they reach out to you?
Guys, message me on IG at Invest with Omar. Go to my website, omarfarro.com. We push out a lot of stuff. And if you guys want to be part of our team, DM me the word agent. DM me the word agent to my Instagram and follow the instructions.
There you go, buddy. Thank you.